In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can turn your text into a YouTube or any video you want just by using Canva, okay? So let's get started. So what you will do first is you need to go to your Canva homepage like this, and you click over here. You should click on Magic Studio like this. Click on Magic Studio. You will be directly in this page over here. Scroll down and you can swipe left over here. You can see Magic Design for videos. Click over here on try now. Okay, so this is new tool that Canva added to his page. It's really amazing and great, and I will show you how you can use it in this video. Click on try now and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, you will be directly in this page. So let me show you. So what you will do next, you should see over here generate videos. Okay, click on generate videos, and what you will do is first step, guys, is you need to choose the pictures that you want to use in this video. You can upload your pictures or your videos. You can use pictures or videos, it's up to you. You can choose from your laptop. Okay, if you want to use your own pictures, you can upload your own pictures and videos from your laptop. So for me, I will just use those pictures that I already have here in Canva. I'm gonna use this one and this one, this one, this one over here, and this one over here, this and this one. Okay, and what you need to do next is you need to describe the kind of video you want. Okay, so the more information you can give to this tool, to this AI tool, the better video you will get. Okay, so for me, for example, I will just ask him, make YouTube short video. So for me, I want to turn those pictures into YouTube short video. Okay, so just to show you, click over here on generate, and here you go. Your Canva will turn these pictures and your text into an amazing YouTube short. So for me, I use YouTube Shorts. So for you, you can ask for any videos if you want, for Instagram, for TikTok, for Facebook Reels, and so on. You can ask for any kind of videos you want. Okay, and it's almost done, as you can see, guys, over here. Okay, so let's check this video now to see if it's really good. So it's the page are too much long, so I can, guys, what you will do, you can edit those page. Click on the first page like this, click over here on edit timing. I'm gonna make it just to 3 seconds and select this, apply to all page. Okay, like this, and here you go. Let's check now. And as you can see, guys, it's already done just in few seconds, just by using this new Magic AI on Canva. It's really amazing, and you can also edit this short if you want. You can edit your videos. Just click on your video, you can edit the background color from here. You can edit the title if you want to make this title in this page like this, and you can edit anything. It's easy and simple. Okay, just click on the element you want to edit and you can edit anything. Okay, after you finish, you can click over here on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Then you can go and upload this video to your YouTube shorts or Instagram or Facebook or everywhere you want. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.